Please click the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you will not miss out any of my videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another review video and I'm going to be reviewing one of the favorite beauty blenders which I've been using recently, and I totally love the product. And I'm talking about the WiseShe Beauty. This is how the packaging is, and this is called the WiseShe Blender Tear Cut Precise Beauty Makeup Sponge, and this one is lactose free. So I've already used the sponge, so it's quite dirty and it's big in size from the original size, but I'll be putting clips where you can see the original size and how it has expanded after being wet and being damp. So this is how big and how soft the original blender looks. This one comes with a free mini blender, so this is how it looks, and both of these were fit in this mini plastic dabba. So I'm so excited. This one has an outer packaging like a black cardboard packaging like so, and you can place the inner plastic dabba here, so you can just keep it. This is very easy for traveling. You really don't need to carry the cardboard box, you can just carry this plastic container. So this one is retailed for an MRP of 1000 rupees, and this one is made in China. I got it for a 42% discount. I got it somewhere around 580 rupees. So I thought 580 rupees for a mini blender and a big sponge is like quite reasonable, and that's why I picked it. But if it was sold in MRP, I don't think that like this is an affordable beauty sponge. The other beauty sponge which I like from like a very good affordable range is the Pune store one, which I have it right here. I have the new one. This is also very good, but when compared to that, this is more softer, more squishier, and more bigger in size once it is damped in water. And it comes with a mini one, which is another advantage of this beauty blender. So this one becomes 3 times bigger once you have damped it in water, and it's very good for blending your foundation or any cream product, and takes very little amount on itself, which is very common of any beauty blender. So this one says this is perfect for foundation application and contouring and highlighting, and they have given the direction to use. For a softer sponge, completely wet and lather with mild soap solution. Squeeze the sponge and rinse out. Repeat few times to make it even softer. And for natural coverage, use the complete wet sponge. For full coverage, use the sponge dry or light spray with water rather than completely soaking it. So these are like some tips on how to use this sponge for natural coverage and for full coverage, and for making it even more softer. They have given they told us to use it with a mild soap solution. So this is how, and this is the things which are written at the back of this packaging. And this one is their social media handles, and you can put your feedback and they will be back with a free surprise gift. So this one like for 580 rupees, and you get 2 sponges. I think it's very reasonable and it's quite affordable. So I have done a complete review on this makeup look which I've created, which is up on Instagram, which you can go and see on Instagram. So I have used this 2 beauty blenders on this complete makeup today, so you can go and watch that. that's how the blending power of the WiseShe makeup sponge is. So I totally love the performance of it, and mainly how soft and lactose free it is. So I hope you liked the review and found it to be helpful. If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please subscribe my channel. It means a lot to me. And don't forget to click the bell icon which is next to the subscribe button. I'll be meeting you all very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. So this is how the WiseShe by Anamika Wise Blender Tear Cut Precise Beauty Makeup Sponge comes in this outer cardboard packaging. Once you open it, you can see the small pamphlet where you can put in your feedback and get a surprise gift from them with their social media handles. Then you get the tiny little plastic container inside, which contains both the beauty blenders, the mini as well as the tear cut shape. So I really love how both of them fit into it and comes very soft. So as you can see, it is the size of the beauty blender itself, the plastic box itself. So it comes even more smaller. So as I've used it like 2-3 times now, it's not getting back to its original size. So even the mini one is a little bit smaller, like to this size, as you can see on the camera. So I've taken a bowl of water and I'm going to be dipping it inside, and I'm going to be showing you how it becomes like soft and so big in size. So once I've soaked it like very good in water, so I'm just going to be squeezing off the excess water out from the sponge. As you can see, once you squeeze out the excess water itself, you can see how big the sponge becomes. So this is how soft and squishy the sponge looks. And I'm going to be comparing to the size of the plastic container in which it was placed. It is like 3 times bigger than its original size. And you cannot put it back in the plastic container because it has no space inside. So that's how it becomes big and soft and squishy.